What is up, Lash babes? Welcome to Lash with me, where I bring you along so that you can watch me lash. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, join our group called Really Pretty Lashes, where we can all help each other out with any of our tips and tricks, as well as share our lash frustrations if we may have any. And today I'm doing a hybrid set on this beautiful girl, so let's get started. So my first step for this girl was to cleanse her lashes with sterile saline sodium chloride. You can find it on Amazon. It's really affordable. I did buy the 4-pack. I'm not too sure if I can find it. I'll link it down below. And we just cleansed the lashes and then just dried them really well, and we got straight into lashing. So for her, I started with the classics first. I like to go through, and I started at the outer corner with size 14, and I worked my way into the inner corner, going along with 13, 12, and 11 as well. Really quickly, I do want to mention that me and her were talking a lot, and so that's why you see a lot of movement. Very sorry about that, but she knew my sister and she worked with her before, so it was really cool catching up with her. You're gonna come along and meet a lot of clients that either know you somehow or just you have something to talk about, and you don't really want to ignore them, especially her being a new client. I don't know her from before, so it was really cool, and she had no idea that me and my sister were twins, so we talked a lot. But also, where we work, we are not allowed mini eyelashes. She can get away with it. She's in a different department. But this is why you're probably gonna say like this was too subtle, or you're gonna have your opinions. But trust me, like I like to give my clients what they want. So this is a very customized set again. And as you can see, we did leave it you'll see at the end how it came out. She really loved it. It looked very natural. It gave her something else, and it made her feel beautiful. And that's all that matters, to be honest. So I'm really over classic lashes. I feel like they just don't last, regardless of what you do. Let me know your tips and tricks on classics if you're like a pro. But I do love volume more. So what I usually do for hybrids, like if it was a normal hybrid, I would use volume fans closed as my spikes and as my classics. So if you guys want to see a video, like the video so that I know to film something like that here soon. Alright, so here I'm going in with 0.07 volume fans, and I'm going in with these sizes 14 on the outer corner. Then I just did the same thing. I went down to 13, 12, and 11, and I believe I put 13 on the outer corner, just a few, so that it kind of just curled upwards. But that is what I did, and I'll just go ahead and let you guys watch the rest of the video. So if you guys enjoyed it, please give my video a thumbs up. It does help me out a lot. Also subscribe if you're new here, and if you ended up liking the video, for more lash videos. I will be posting at least 1 to 2 videos a week,
to mention,
so stay tuned
the
to
glue
that.
I'm using
and
is
thanks so
my
much for
new
watching.
lash
See you
glue
guys
that
later.
I will
Bye.
be coming out with, and it is called Volume Babe. So if you guys want to check it out, it is very good for volume lashes. I feel like it's a nice thick formula. But yeah, I will be sharing a video more detailed on that really soon, on all the products that I recently brought out. But yeah, definitely watch out for it. Again, it's called Volume Babe by Really Pretty Lashes, and that should be coming real soon. Again, this may not be to everybody's liking. She was very happy at the end. She also did kind of think it was a little too dramatic, so trust me, when I say I customize lashes, like, you have to just give them what they want and give them what exactly they're asking for. And I did mention to her that we can definitely up the volume on her next fill or whatever, but for now, she's happy with it. It gave her the good feel, you know, like she felt good about it, so that's all that matters. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.